Enhancing rotator cuff repair with Regeneten Bioinductive Implant. Welcome to this talk on the indications, applications, and benefits of the Regeneten Bioinductive Implant in rotator cuff repair. I'll walk you through its technical aspects, clinical outcomes, and patient selection criteria based on my experience and current literature. Overview of Regeneten Bioinductive Implant. The Regeneten Bioinductive Implant is a bioengineered patch derived from bovine Achilles tendon. It is designed to augment rotator cuff repairs by promoting biological healing. As shown in the video, the implant is anchored to soft tissue and bone using sutures and bone anchors, providing a scaffold for tendon regeneration. Since its introduction in 2015, there have been over 30 published studies documenting its use. Key findings include the presence of tendon-like tissue at 3 months post-op and sustained increases in tendon thickness at 2 years. These studies also report reduced re-tear rates, though no structural grafting effect was observed. Instead, the implant appears to enhance biological healing. Surgical technique 1. Preparation and placement. The device holder is inserted into the subacromial space, where it is fired to deploy the patch. Proper positioning is ensured before securing the implant. 2. Fixation. Soft tissue fixation. Typically involves 8 staples to secure the patch to the tendon. Bone anchor fixation. 2 to 3 bone anchors are used to secure the implant to the bone for enhanced stability. 3. Completion. The device holder is removed and any remaining adjustments are made. The Regeneten Bioinductive Implant represents a valuable tool in rotator cuff repair,
suture
particularly
from the
in challenging
medial
cases
is
like
then pumped
revision,
through the tendon,
elderly
using
patients,
the
and
first
high
pass
tension
ST
repair.
suture.
Its ability to promote
Meanwhile, the
biological
Regeneten
healing
implant
makes it an
induces
excellent
the
adjunct
formation
for
of
appropriately
tendon-like tissue
selected
over
patients.
6 months,